Hello dear students. So class, today we are going to start chapter 17 division, and the topic for today's class is relation between multiplication and division. So students, we have already done the division yesterday and we have already done the multiplication also. So in the multiplication, you all already know that we multiply two numbers to get the answer here. Okay, so here what we have to do, we have to make the group of 3 two times. That means 2 times we have to make a group of 3. So if we suppose we have these coins with us, okay, and we have to make group of 3 two times. 2 times of 3. Okay, so this is 1 time and this is 2 time. So now the total of this is, we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. The answer is 6. And as we already know that if we reciprocate the number, means if we change the places of the numbers, that is 3 multiplied by 2, then also the answer will be same, that is 6. So here what we are doing is making the group of 2's 3 times. So here this is the two pieces, then another 2 pieces, and this is the third time we are making the group. So here what we have done, we have made the groups 3 times, okay, of 2's. And the answer is again 6. So this is our multiplication. Now in the division, what we do is, the total is already given to us. Like suppose this is the number, we have to divide 6 by 2. Okay, that means that we have to divide this 6 by 2. What are we going to do now? This is the 6, thus okay, 6 coins are here and we have to divide them by 2, means we have to make a group of 2. So this is our first group, this is our second group, and this is our third group. So total how many groups do we have now? We have 3 groups. Okay, and in the multiplication also you can see that here we have added this to get the total. Here the total is already with us and we are dividing it, means we are distributing it, and the answer is 3. Next again, if we will change the numbers, that is 6 divided by 3. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to make, like this is the 6, these are the 6 coins we have, and we have to make a group of 3. Okay, so group of 3, this is the first group and here comes the another group. So total number of groups we have is 1 and 2. So the answer is 2. So I hope you all have understood that in the multiplication we multiply. Okay, this is the multiplication side. In multiplication we multiply to get the answer, and in division the total is already there and we divide, means we distribute them. So here you can see that in multiplication 2 multiplied by 3 equals to 6, and here if we divide it by 2, then अगर यहाँ से हमने फर्स्ट नंबर से if we are dividing by 2, then जो second number होगा that will be your answer. Or we can also understand it like this, that if we are dividing 6 by 3, so that means we are reading the table of 3. Okay, here we have read the table of 2 and here we are reading the table of 3, and we see that this number, that total, comes in 3's table at what number of time? That comes at 2 times, means 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. Okay, now quickly I am taking another example. Suppose the number is 4 multiplied by 3. Okay, so you all already know the tables. So 4 multiplied by 3 is 12. And if we will write the numbers, means if we change the places of the numbers, that is So 4 multiplied by 3 is 12 and 3 multiplied by 4 is also 12. Okay, now the total is given. Now we have to divide it. If we divide 12 by 3, then the answer will be, that means we have to read the table of 3 and we have to check at what number does this 12 comes in 3's table. So we know 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9 and 3 4s are, that means 3 4s are 12. Okay, so the answer here is 4. Next, if we have to divide this by 4, then we will be reading the table of 4. Okay, and we will check that this 12 comes in 4's table at what number of times. This comes at 3 times. Okay, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. So this comes at 3 times. Okay, so I hope you all have understood the relation between multiplication and division. In the multiplication, we multiply two numbers to get the answer, and in the division, the total is already given to us and we divide it by some number and then we read the table of that particular number to see at what number of times does this total comes in that table. Okay, so thank you everyone. Hope you have understood in this video everything.